Today's high temperatures are an indication of what's about to change. Northwest Montana, you will be feeling gusty winds and some colder air first, but we're all expecting a cold front to come through. Ahead of the front, though, breezy, gusty winds. Then we'll see temperatures change a little bit more tomorrow, but southwest Montana in some 80s, upper 70s, a little bit cooler for the northwest region. Now, most of the day until this front tracks in, and this is what I've got to get you ready for today on this Tuesday, things are looking fairly nice. But ahead of that front, again, the breezy winds, those should pop in about 2 to 4 p.m. Then the cold front comes in. It's got some moisture behind it. Pretty organized front. A lot of us will likely be in for the night before things turn into thunderstorms, but just keep an eye out for those watches and warnings. Lately, those thunderstorms have turned on the power incredibly quickly when we weren't expecting it. So just be ready for that a little bit later tonight. Here's a look at 10:30 p.m. Now take a look at this pink color. That is some possible rain snow mix for high elevation valleys. Here's the blue color. That is snow a little bit tomorrow morning. We are expecting maybe snow for places like Logan Pass. The Missions could even see a little bit. The Sealy and Swan ranges as well. But this low pressure, when it comes in, won't quite leave us alone until we get out of Wednesday tomorrow, because it's going to wrap around, sort of around Canada into northwest Montana before it finally exits the region a little bit later on Thursday. So what this is going to do for us, let's review all of this. Gusty winds today in the afternoon, 20 to 30 miles an hour. Then we see a little bit of rain, possible thunderstorms. High elevation snow could be between about 5,000 to 6,000 feet overnight tonight to tomorrow morning. Then we'll have a huge temperature drop tomorrow. We've got 80s, for example, today, 60s maybe tomorrow, about a 20-degree drop. Here's the good news, though. In just a few days, we'll get to the start of September. Labor Day is coming up this weekend, and temperatures look to be nice and warm for some last-minute summer fun with Labor Day. So don't worry. Once we get out of the 60s and 70s Wednesday and Thursday, we pop right back up this weekend into some nice warm 80s with lots of sunshine, and we are expecting pretty dry weather. So a few up and downs, a few wobbles in the middle of the week starting today, though we should be pretty calm by Thursday.